Aqui com o Aruba Racquet Club, se tu renta pontualmente, segura sono com nove tirumbista ainda, para que te oferece em realidade paquete completo que dá se ele hobby mais, um lugar para praticar tênis. Com o Aruba Racquet Club, sua abertura, tênis está permitindo ganhar mega comeback, e mais, com diz de nível de hobby.
It's a program for any age level, you know, we got from beginners all the way to advanced, which is the group that you see in the background. They're playing for 3 hours.
Total de 8 canchas de tênis, tal que o Country Club e Training Center aqui te oferece na sua membro.
If you want to come and just start hitting balls and, you know, make the tennis the sport of your life, that you can come anytime.
De facto, membro do club tem acesso completo na toda facilidade do club, que inclui gym, team center, piscina, playground e pronto também 3 canchas de beach tennis. E também, claro, é membro da beneficia de tarifa especial, palestra de tennis e outro tipo de exercício de gym.
And the top 3 from the age from 16 to 17, we're training them for a scholarship in the States. Probably in a year and a half from now, we'll be sending them to the States for a scholarship.
Tá justamente treinamento especialista aqui e a aliança novo será com a IMG Academy na América, tá dando a tenista com potencial, edge enorme.
IMG is the biggest tennis center, actually sports center in the world. It's based in Bradenton, Florida, and it's been around for more than 25 years ago. Actually, I worked there 23 years ago. In the late 90s, I worked there where before being an IMG Academy was Nick Bollettieri Tennis Academy. He's probably the most famous tennis coach in the world. And we here at the Aruba Racquet Club have an alliance with IMG. And the plan is to send players to train over there from time to time. And for them to come over here and play tournaments in the island in the summertime. And it's a great opportunity for Aruba.
E hecho de ter tennis head pro maneira Javier Welfer com mais de 27 anos de experiência treinando tenista na rond mundo de gas, mas está algo grande para tennis na Aruba.
We'll have a program here. It's called 10 and Under. It's a new rule by the International Tennis Federation where the little kids, starting at 4 years old, they use mini courts, mini nets, mini rackets, and low pressure balls.
Aruba Racquet Club te cobre tennis para chiquito e grande, de nível recreacional, para nível deportivo e hasta profissional. Para mais informação, llama 586-0215.